See you again here. First cast. First cast over here. Garcia. You're seeing a lot of worms, so let's see if there's gonna be a bite around here. 5 o'clock supposed to be the highest tide, and then it's gonna be outgoing tide from there. See how we progress over here. Finally, got one baby, fatty too. That's right now. And I just started getting worried, man. I'm catching shit. There's one. Look at that beautiful striker, man. This trainer. More to go. There it is. Get that, keep it fresh. There you go. Get another one over here right now. It's still a shaker though. Alright, let's get another one. One again, but still small. But we're gonna have to let this guy go. Yep, got him though. Shaker, but still getting right now. Flag one, baby. Here we go. Get back in here. Yep. Look at that. Look at that setup right there. Look at the way how it's. We got another one here. That was a goddamn good size too. There you go. Man, almost lost this shit. Look at that shit, bro. Hell yeah. I just limit out. 2 fatties over here, baby. There you go. That's my shoes. 2 fatties right there. Just got it right now. Limit for the night, baby. Bam. Fatty. Good size, eh, baby? Hell yeah. There you go. Limit out. We got 2 good size keepers, yo. Fatty too. There you go. Good size Sacramento, baby. My old hot spot.